Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to cover step by step how we took this business, all the lighting by the way, from $10,000 per month all the way to $30,000 per month consistently every single month. So if you own a home service company and you're looking to hit those numbers, this video is for you. Now, I'm not even gonna waste time. I want to keep this like under 15 minutes. So let's jump right into it. All right, so first thing I'm going to say is we're going to cover the full blueprint, okay? The whole 9 years from A to Z, how we took from 10K to 30K per month. And this small haulie line business was stuck at 10K per month essentially before we swooped right in. They were relying on referrals, yard signs, all that in-person type of marketing. And now they're doing 30K per month every single month. Okay. Now, we only changed three things. It wasn't nothing complicated, nothing fancy. We changed one ad, one funnel, and one AI system, and the results skyrocketed through the roof. Okay. And I'll show you even screenshots. This is what they were doing before. As you can see, like in around September, $14,000 in revenue. And this is what they did this month alone, from September 28th till now. $40,000 in monthly recurring revenue. So as you can see from these pictures, this system is very much efficient. It works. So all you have to do is follow step by step. And I'm going to show you exactly how we built it. Now, let's do some quick math before you even dive into it. In order to make $30,000 per month with a holiday lighting business, you have to understand the numbers, okay? The average holiday lights install is $2,000, and the average permanent lights install is $4,000. These are the two different services that they were offering. If you take the average of both, okay, it gives you an average install value of $3,000. So what does that mean? It means that you need to be able to generate 10 installs every single month in order to generate $30,000 per month. If you tell me you can't generate 10 installs every single month, then you have a business problem. Matter of fact, after the system, it's going to be the most easiest thing for you to do. Okay. So let's jump right into that. Let's cover the problem first. If you're in holiday lighting business or even roofing, home remodeling, I'm sure you're well aware of the pain. You get the leads, but you can't follow up fast enough. You're on jobs, but you're missing calls and leads because you're too busy being on the tools. You quote customers, you quote leads, but then you get ghosted because you don't have a proper follow-up system. One month you're printing money, but then the next one you're dry because you're not consistent. Okay? You don't have a system in place to make sure that you're still generating consistent recurring revenue every single month. So we've all been through these problems. With this system, it solves this problem, this problem, this problem, and this problem. So you won't have to worry about you won't have to worry about any of these ever again. Okay. So let's jump right into it. Myth breaker first. It's not about just more leads though. You got to understand this. More leads won't help you if you don't have a system that follows up, books, and closes for you. Okay. So you might generate leads, but if you can't convert the leads and you can't retain them for future jobs, then you don't run a business. Unfortunately, that's a harsh truth. You don't run a business. You have to make sure that these three elements are always taken care of and you're always tracking these. Myth breaker number two, this business didn't only triple their leads, right? They just stopped letting them leak. Okay. So this is the business, and there were cracks in the business. Cracks and the leads coming in, they were just going through the cracks. We just made sure that the leads stopped leaking by setting proper foundations for the business. Right? That's it. So that's just some quick myth breakers for you. Now, the new solution, the 30K per month system, we installed a three-part AI system, as I said. One ad, one funnel, one AI system. That's all we changed. Part one, the ad. So you're gonna first want to run Facebook ads, or more so, it's called Meta ads, but it's the same thing. Meta ads on platforms like Facebook and Instagram, and we call this AI UGC ad, or AI user generated content ads. Now, the ad type, you're gonna want to use an instant form. You can fill out phone number, name, address. You can ask budgeting questions, things like that. And for the actual ad itself, for the creative itself, you're going to use an AI showcase video, or you're going to use a before and after. If you guys don't know what a before and after looks like, I'm just going to show you. This is what it looks like. It's like this. This is the before, and then this is the after. You can layer it simply like this. These work wonders. Now, for the actual offer, you need an offer on your ad. Too many times I see ads that don't even have an offer, and then they complain why they don't get customers. Okay. So you need a clear offer on your ad, something like book before December 1st, and you get 20% off. So this is an example of an ad of somebody who did it really well, and this ad is actually doing pretty well. So you can copy this, but I suggest you don't. You want to be creative with your offer. You want to be creative with your content. So don't copy this, just take inspiration from it, right? This one just use huge 20% discount. Now, the last thing, which is a part of the actual Facebook ads that a lot of business owners get wrong, is the targeting. If you target the wrong people, and I'm going to say this again, if you don't target the right people, you will get low quality leads. Very simple. So I broke it down into four things that you need to make sure that you're hitting in order to get your targeting right. Okay. To make sure you're targeting the right people who are going to buy from you. Homeowners, they have to be 34 and up. Nobody under the age of 34 is actually going to be a high quality lead. Most of the time, you don't even own a house. All right. You don't want to waste your money on that. So, homeowners 34 plus, local zip codes. Okay, you're going to put in local zip codes for specific neighborhoods that you work in or that you target. You're going to target rich areas. There's areas that make a lot more higher income than others. They have mansions, big houses. You want to target those areas because no broke people can afford $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 high ticket services, right? So you have to make sure that you're targeting rich areas. Boom. Number four, $40 a day. You're going to start running your Facebook ad campaign at $40 a day, nothing less, nothing more. If you're being profitable and you're generating consistently high quality leads, then you're going to scale from 20 to 25% every 48 hours. Simple. If you apply these three elements for your ads on Facebook, you'll notice that you'll go from generating one or two leads a day to generating five, six, seven leads every single day consistently. That's all you have to do to go from here all the way to here. So that's part one. Okay, part two, the AI system, high converting funnel. We didn't just build a full website for them. We didn't have to build a full website, and you don't need to either if you're not technical. You just need one simple page booking funnel, a one page booking funnel. That's it. And on that page, you're going to have three elements. Number one, your quote form, or also called the instant form. You'll have your name, address, budget. This is what it looks like. It's an example, name, phone number, but you can add more fields as well under here. This is just what it looks like on Instagram. Testimonials, you want to make sure you include testimonials on that booking page to make sure that people know you're a trustworthy business. People love reviews, all right? If they see reviews, if they see happy customers, they're 10 times more likely to buy from you. So let's say, for example, 3,000 plus Google reviews. As you guys can see, it's an example of a business that has 130 reviews, right? So if you have 130 reviews, they're all 5 star. On your booking page, you're going to say you have 130, don't mind writing 130 reviews, and you're going to say that they're all 5 star reviews. That's it. Build trust, makes yourself look way more legit when they're booking to get a quote from you. And the last part, business owners skip this part because of the technical part. You're gonna have to set up an instant calendar access. Now you can use a CRM for this, like Go High Level or Calendly. This is just to make sure that you stay organized and you're not losing leads, jobs, quotes, or anything like that. It's just to make sure you're organizing all of your data so you're keeping track of everything. If you're not keeping track, then you won't even be able to know who paid, who didn't pay, who you got the job done for, and everything you did up until so far won't matter. So make sure you have a proper data tracking system, like Go High Level, or if it's simple and you just want to book appointments, use Calendly. That's it. Okay. And this is what it looks like. This is our own dashboard that we use for one of our clients. As you can see here, it shows the amount of opportunities, so leads, jobs, quotes, 318. It shows the revenue, so 44,000. And then it shows the conversions as well. That's all you need to track. Obviously, there's more, but these are the main metrics. Moving on, part three of the system. Now, this is where you implement even deeper AI. You're going to use an AI assistant that follows up for you when you're busy. All right. So it starts with instant SMS and call when a lead comes in. As soon as a lead submits a form, a quoting request on your Facebook ad, you're going to get a call from this AI assistant and an SMS notifying you that the lead just came in. And then you'll be able to talk with the actual lead on the phone. Second thing, AI text. This AI assistant will be able to text you on your phone number, call you, and send you reminders of leads that actually ghost, right? There's always going to be leads who are not completely receptive to your service, right? So they don't book straight away. So the AI assistant is also going to follow up daily with these leads to make sure that they don't go cold and you can actually convert them. Because most of the money is made from follow-ups, right? From follow-ups and being relentless with it. You have to be on their ass every single day to make sure that you're getting the best chance to convert them. Number three is the AI qualifying. Nobody likes to deal with unqualified leads, so why not have AI get it done for you, right? It's going to filter out junk leads and it's going to book in the qualified ones directly into your calendar automatically. And you won't even have to lift a finger, right? You could be on the job getting an installation done for holiday lights, and as soon as a lead comes in, before it even reaches your phone and you even talk to them, you have your AI assistant qualify them, right? That way you don't have to waste time talking to dead leads. And the last part of this is no ghosting and no manual coding. That's the result. Okay. No lead is going to ghost you if they're being consistently followed up on every single day. And you want to manually code them if the AI assistant also handles the coding on the phone and the booking on the phone as well. So as you can see, it's a full circle. It's a 9 yards. If you have the system set correctly for your AI assistant, you won't even have to touch anything. Just watch the money come in. That's it. Now, what does this mean for your business exactly? If you implement this three-part system correctly, exactly like I just explained, you will have predictable income, no more chasing leads. You're going to be able to scale without having to stress where the next lead or the next quote or the next job is coming from. And finally, you're also going to have time to spend with your family, your team, if you have a big crew, and on the holidays as well. All you're gonna have to worry about is close them on the phone and actually deliver the service. That's it. Everything else, sales process, client acquisition, all the back end stuff is going to be handled automatically for you, right? If you implement this three-part system correctly. Right. Now, that's all I wanted to cover in this video. That's the full blueprint. And I'm being honest, it's the full blueprint that we followed to take this business from making 10K to 30K per month consistently. Now, I do understand that this might be a little bit complicated for some of you. So if you want to see what this AI system could look like into your business, if it's a good fit for your business, you could schedule a free consultation call below. I'm going to include a link in the comment section or in the description, something like that. And you can book a free consultation call with me. I'll take a look at your business and we'll see how we can plug this in for you. Hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you next time.